Hey guys, it's Sean here. Just want to give you a review of the Derwent Inktense. So it's called Inktense, so it's like ink that works like watercolor. As you'll see here, you got kind of a kit I've already used. And what's really cool is it comes with, let me take it out here, this little pen. So you fill this side with water, that's to hold it while you're traveling, and you put it together, screw it together. The other end will look like this. So you have this really nice tip. The other really nice thing, in the basic kit they don't have white, so I would suggest at least get maybe the 24 or just order this white one here by itself. Now, as you know, in watercolor you always have to preserve your white in the ink test. I think it's called Inktense. Such a weird thing. But anyway, the white gives you kind of an opaque white to go back over. It won't be the pure white of the paper. Like you still probably want to preserve some pure white of the paper, you know, using that other material. I can't think of the name, but I've only done it twice. Never done watercolor before, so I'd say this is a really strong set. I felt, you know, pretty comfortable right out of the gate. I do need to work on preserving the white, which is one of the critical things in watercolor, and this not as much, but you still need to preserve the white. So I give it a really strong mark. It wasn't messy like I thought watercolor would be. You can make it messy, obviously, and add a lot of extra water to it, make it drippy, but it's really nice for you know, plein air drawing, painting. So I'd say it's pretty strong. They are a little expensive though. The base kit, this thing is like 33 bucks, which kind of seems steep to me, and then this is like 50 bucks, which is kind of crazy. But again, it's supposed to be the best for color fastness, so it lasts the longest under sunlight. Usually watercolor is traditionally known to fade over time, so you kind of, sometimes you just sell prints of it because you don't want to fade over time, but you have to put it behind UV glass, or I always spray it with UV clear coat afterwards as a fixative. But yeah, it's a really great product and I recommend it. All right, thanks. That's my tip of the day, guys. All right, bye.